In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate a Lovable app to Base44. We'll go through the process from inside Base44, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along without confusion. This migration flow is designed to help you bring an existing Lovable project into Base44 using your connected resources. So it's important to move carefully and make sure each field is filled in correctly. To begin, open Base44 in your browser. Once the platform loads, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click Home. This takes you to the main starting area where you can create, manage, or import projects. From there, focus on the prompt box in the Home section. This is the area where Base44 gives you options for starting a new workflow. Near that area, click the plus button to open the available actions. When the menu appears, choose Migrate from another platform. This tells Base44 that instead of starting from scratch, you want to bring in an app that already exists somewhere else. Next, select Lovable from the list of supported platforms. After choosing it, click Continue to move forward. At this point, Base44 will begin guiding you through the connections it needs in order to import your project properly. The next step is to connect GitHub. This is usually required so Base44 can access the code or repository associated with your Lovable app. If you're prompted to authorize access, review the permissions and continue. Make sure you're connecting the correct GitHub account, especially if you manage multiple repositories or work across personal and team spaces. After GitHub is connected, you'll be asked to paste your Supabase URL. Copy the URL from your Supabase project and paste it into the correct field in Base44. Then paste the service role key into the next field. Since this key is highly sensitive, be careful not to expose it while recording, sharing screens, or working in a public environment. Double check that both values are pasted into the correct boxes, because even a small mistake here can interrupt the connection. Once everything is entered, click Connect. Base44 will then use the GitHub connection, the Supabase use URL, and the service role credentials to establish the migration setup for your Lovable app. If the connection succeeds, you're ready for Base44 to proceed with the migration workflow. If something doesn't work right away, the most common issue is usually a copy and paste error or using the wrong account or project details, so it's worth reviewing those first. And that's how to migrate a Lovable app to Base44.